Hi, my name is Christine. I work at HPFY and I'm an ostomy nurse. I would like to talk with you about how to use Stoma powder and when to use it. So if your skin is irritated, maybe a little bit moist, it's a good idea to use the Stoma powder. This one happens to be Convatec. We do have it available in all brands. You would, after cleaning your skin, sprinkle on some of this powder. You don't want too much, so you can tap off the excess. But on top of that powder, you do have to place a barrier film so that your pouching system can adhere. Spray option is a very good option. You would spray right over that powder. If you don't have it in spray form and you only have a wipe, you can certainly dab over the powder. There's enough in this little square to absorb into the powder and make that surface tacky. HPFY carries both forms of the skin barrier film in multiple different companies.